I'm going to show you how you can get paid early with Navy Federal. To get paid early, you will need a free active duty checking here. It's made for military active duty, retired military or reservists, right? If you want a early access to military pay, you can see early access to military pay here. Your account will require a qualifying direct deposit here. If you want to open it now, just click on this, open now, and it'll redirect you to the online banking app of Navy Federal. And in here, you just need to enter in your username and also your password, right? If you don't have a password or username for that, you will have to open a personal checking account to open a free active checking account earlier here. Now you can see if you want to open a checking account here, it's a powered up checking for fully integrated banking. You can click on this button here to open now. Like you see, it'll redirect us back into the Navy Federal Credit Union here. If you want to sign in, click on this sign in help. Now in here, you can make you can add a sign in help here if you're having trouble. But if you want to become a member, scroll down, click on become a member here. Now you can see join now and enjoy the support and great service of your military union. Now you can see you'll have to verify your eligibility, set up your account information, and open your Navy Federal account. Click on continue here, and then enter in all of your details here to open a checking account and get the early pay you want. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.